Hello friends, welcome in your channel Rahul Kaushik RK. I hope all are well. So today's topic is Equitas Small Finance Bank IPO. I will tell you top 10 points. Equitas Small Finance Bank, the wholly owned subsidiary of NBFC Equitas Holding, will open its initially public offering on October 20. The anchor investment book will open for a day on October 19, while the issue will close on October 22. This would be the third small finance bank to came out with an IPO after AU Small Finance Bank and Ujjivan Small Finance Bank. JM Financial, Edelweiss Financial Services and IIFL Securities are the book running lead manager to the issues. So I tell you top 10 points. First point, public issue. The maiden public issue consists of a fresh issue of rupees 280 crores and an offer for a sale of up to 7.2 crore equity share by promoter Equitas Holding. The offer includes a reservation up to rupees 51 crore for subscription by eligible Equitas Holding shareholder and a reservation up to rupees 1 crore for subscription by eligible employee. Bids can be made for a minimum of 450 Equitas share and in multiples of 450 Equitas share thereafter. Second point, price band. The company in consultation with merchant bankers has fixed price band for the offer at rupees 32-33 per Equitas share. Third point, funds rising. Equitas Small Finance Bank is aimed to rise rupees 510.4 crores at lower price band at rupees 517.6 crore at upper price band. Fourth, object of issues. The objects of the offer are to augment banks tier 1 capital base to meet future capital requirements such as organic growth and expansion and to comply with the regulatory requirement for enhanced capital base as may be prescribed in the future, but the bank will not receive any proceed from the offer for sale as OFS money will go to the Equitas Holding. Company profile. Equitas Small Finance Bank in financial year 19 was the largest SFB in India in terms of number of banking outlet and the record largest SFB in India in terms of assets under management and total deposit. CRISIL says it had a market share of 16% in terms of assets under management in India. The company offers a range of banking products and services to customers with a focus on servicing the financially unserved and underserved customer segment in India. Its strength lies in promoting financial inclusion within these segments. It has been providing housing financing 11 through Equitas Housing Finance, while it has also been providing vehicle finance and MSE finance through the erstwhile NBFC that received its asset finance license in 12, primarily to economically disadvantaged households. In addition, the company also provides non-credit offering comprise ATM, debit cards, third-party insurance, mutual fund product, and insurance of fast tax. Sixth, strength. Customer-centric organization with a deep understanding of the unserved and underserved customer segment. Among the largest SABs in India with a well-diversified asset portfolio, a strong retail liabilities portfolio with a strategic distribution network, customized credit assessment procedure for effective credit risk management, technology as an enabler to drive operating procedure, professional management, experienced leadership, and trained employee base. 7 point, strategic leveraging on existing network for depending penetration and driving operational efficiency, straighten liabilities, franchising, and focus on increasing retail base to further improve cost of funds, leverage data for analytics to drive operational efficiency, continue to focus on digital products and technology to grow operation, continue to diversify product offering and leverage cross-selling opportunities, increasingly focus on non-interest income sources. 8. Financial. Equitas Small Finance Bank has reported net profit at rupees 57.67 crore for the quarter ended June 20, rising for rupees 57.06 crore in the same period last year. In financial 20, profit stood at rupees 243.63 crores, rising from 210.56 crore in financial year 19. Net interest income jumped to rupees 1,495.3 crore in financial year 20 from rupees 1,151.7 crore, whereas in June quarter 2020 the same rose to rupees 404.28 crore from rupees 337.6 crore year on year basis. It reported a gross advance at rupees 50,366.94 including IBPS issue crore in financial year 20, increasing from rupees 11,702.85 crore in financial 90, while the same increase to financial year 15,572.9 crores as June 2020. Its deposit has grown at CAGR of 38.75% during financial year 18 to financial year 20. Its certificate to deposit program has been rated A plus by CRISIL and long-term borrowing, and its CASA ratio was 29.23%, 25.25%, 20.47%, and 19.97% as on financial 18, 19, 20 and June quarter 2020 respectively. As a result, cost of fund calculated as interest expense dividend by average interest bearing liabilities were 8.13% and 7.97% in financial year 19 and 20 respectively as of June 2020. Its gross NPAs were rupees 4,016.66 crore or 2.68% of gross advances including IBPS issued, and net NPAs were rupees 213.37 crore or 1.48% of net advance, as its distribution channel comprised 56 banking outlet and 322 ATMs across 17 states and union territories in India. Ninth, management. Arun Ramadhan is the part-time chairman and non-executive independent director of Equitas Small Finance Bank. He is also an independent director on board of director of promoter Equitas Holding. Vasudevan Pathanangi Narasimha is the MD and CEO of Equitas Small Finance Bank, while Nagar Arjun Srinivasan, Arjun Kumar Verma, Naranya Swami Balakrishnan, Naveen Avinash Chandar Puri, Sridhar Ganesh, Narasimha Srinivasan, Tabassum Abdullah Inamdar, and Vinod Kumar Sharma are the non-executive independent director on the board. Vasudevan Pathangi Narasimha, the MD and CEO, is a qualified company secretary from the Institute of Company Secretaries of India. He has extensive experience in the financial experience sector and has served as the executive vice president and head of consumer banking group in Development Credit Bank for more than 1.5 years. He had also worked for about 2 decades in Cholamandalam Investment and Finance Company, part of the Murugappa Group. He was also the chairman of the managing committee of the South India Hire Purchase Associate for financial year 2006. He joined erstwhile Equitas Finance, now the bank, in July 2016, and prior to joining Equitas Small Finance Bank, he was the managing director of Equitas Holding. 10. Promoter and shareholding. Equitas Holding is the promoter of the bank, currently holding an aggregate of equity share which represent 95.49% of the pre-offer paid up equity share capital of the bank, while the rest 4.51% stake is held by the public. So all of you guys, I hope you enjoy this video. So please subscribe and share this video. Thank you.